vlog style come to you. I need to get gas. I have 33 miles range and the gas station is probably what, 15 miles from here, something like that, so we should be good. By the way, welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Maddie here. As always, we are here at the gas station, so just deal with it. I show you guys the range, 33 miles, but it's funny because when after lifting the truck, that range, it's always a little off, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, I drove like a mile and that brought down like 3 miles, almost 4 miles. It's how the computer normally works, but this one, it's worse when after lifting the truck. So I don't trust that much. So if I hit empty, I go to gas station, even though say like you used to have 40 miles drive, I'm assuming I have like 15, 10. But that's me. So just want to share that. If you want to lift your truck, that's something you've got to consider. Fill it up the truck, 60, 61, between 60 65, depends how empty it is. $61. Dude, this gas price is ridiculous. Now we got 325 miles range, which is not actually that. I'll show you guys in the next upload, and I need an oil change too. So story of my life, that's what happened. Dude, it's always like that during the winter. Like, in winter's coming, I know I have to do a bunch of stuff on the truck. Oh, but we're good, let's go. I need to buy a blower, a backpack blower, because my backpack blower broke. I think that thing lasts like what, 2 years. I bought a cheaper one, and there's this place here, I don't even know if they have anything, but hey, doesn't hurt to look at it, right? There you go. Look at they have my son. He would like have a life here. That's crazy. This place is really nice, dude. That's what I need for my garage. Ceiling mountain electric heater. That's what I needed. Look, they have like everything for, you know, trailers. That's pretty cool. I didn't know this place though. See, they have like truck stuff. Sometimes I need like ramps. Yeah, they didn't have what I was looking for. I'm looking like for a backpack blower. I found one on a store next to me, like close to my house. It's like $600. The last one I bought it, I pay $300. So you take that in consideration. Now let's get coal and back in the garage. I got back home. I didn't show you guys the entire coal thing, but yeah, it's clean. If you guys didn't watch, I just posted upload about this, so I'm not gonna show you guys again. Man, I did a bunch of things today. The C5 sitting here. I need to take this car for a drive though. I really do. And the calipers are coming for this one really soon. But since you're here, let me show you guys where I put the coal, because a lot of people asked me last time. Here it is. Here's my coal stove, right? Sorry for the lights. And here is 1 ton of coal, and I'm gonna put another one here, and that should take me through November, end of January, and then I need 1.5 depending how that goes. The coal stove sitting here. I still need to put everything back together. It's not that cold to do that, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay, I know this was a kind of weird transition, but you know, and my goal is also bring you guys to my life. I believe, you know, I like to share. So anyway, the main topic is what is gonna be my next truck. I have a couple of options and I wanna hear you guys. And as you can see here, this car behind me, the C5, it's for sale. It's up for sale. I receive a bunch of emails and messages asking if you wanna trade. The car is not up for trade though, but if you wanna buy it, I'll be happy to talk to you, right? So once the car leaves the garage, I have a couple of options, right? And I'm gonna run through 4 or 5 here, and I wanna hear you because I really wanna bring a truck to the channel. I'm not saying that it's 100% it's gonna be a truck, but if it doesn't have to be a truck, I just don't want you guys to get mad on me. It's gonna be another car. if another Corvette pops up and I think it's a good deal, you know, kind of do a project to the car, I'll do it. So, but my first goal is to get a truck. I posted a picture on my Instagram comparing the Tacoma to the Colorado. Both the previous generation, not the brand new car, not my trucks, forget my truck. You know, the first option would be a first gen Colorado. But that build though would be something different. I would probably not lift the truck, I would lower the truck. They do a lot of LS swap on that truck, which is awesome. That truck could be to get like a beat up truck and do a transformation, you know, make my own. I would like an extended cab, and I would be able to do like kind of a crazy, you know, maybe put aftermarket seats on. It would not be a race truck, but kind of, you know what I'm saying? It would be a lower truck. That would be I always want a first gen Colorado. But then a lot of people start talking, so that's the first option, first gen Colorado. Then a lot of people were talking about the Tacoma. And to be honest, I never thought about it. And I started looking at the Tacoma, and I would, you know, I think it would be a nice mid-sized truck to build here on the channel and share with you guys. I'll be honest, I don't know anything about Tacomas. Back in the days, I did a video, my friend had a Tacoma TRD Pro, and that truck was awesome. It was a 2017 truck, brand new. I'll have to say, the inside of the new Tacoma, it's better than the Colorado, but I'm a Chevy guy. Should I build a Tacoma? The Tacoma would be a different project, would be like an off-road beast, you know what I'm saying? I think I saw a couple people doing this, and I think it would be awesome to do that. And those trucks, they are holding value pretty well. Let's recap. First option, Colorado, first gen. Second option, Tacoma. First, I think it's a first gen. I'll put a picture here. Third option, the Chevy Silverado SS. Dude, that truck, oh my god, that truck's so fun. But the problem with that truck, and my buddy Junior, he has one, is to find one in good shape. That's the really challenge, to find one in good shape. If you find one or it's either beat up like crazy and has more than 200,000 miles. But they are ranging the price that I'm looking at, and I'll put some pictures here. And that truck, dude, it's rare, and that's what makes that truck unique. Unless I'm willing to pay you know, a little bit more for a nice one, which is really hard to find. Dash Silverado SS and the Trailblazer SS, they are really hard to find in good shape. That would be the third option. I really like that truck. The fourth option would be just a regular 2004-2005 Silverado 1500. I really like that truck, like extended cab version of it. I think there are a bunch of options as far as mod goes. We can either do like a lift kit, or we can do like a lower the truck. We have options, and that's what makes me excited. I always love that truck, but a gas truck 1500. And the reason it's very simple why the gas truck is because it's cheaper. Otherwise, I would go to a diesel truck, 2500, something like that. It's really hard to find right now, LBZs, so that's not on the books right now. If I could convince my wife, I would be willing to trade my my Colorado for an LBZ. It would be a crazy trade though, because my truck is brand new, my truck has all the technology. The LBZs, they are older, but that's, again, the diesel is not on the discussion. The option would be extended cab 1500 Silverado, 2004, 2005, depends. It's also hard to find a truck is in good shape. If you find something, it's probably, you know, a work truck, which makes a lot of miles, a lot of rush, so that's a challenge to find. And the last option would be buy a track car, but that's also on the books, would not be a Corvette. A lot of people saying like, why you don't transform your C5 in a track car? I don't think it's worth it. That's the only thing. I don't think this car is worth to be a track car. The track car, I would even buy a rebuild title to be my track car. This car here is so nice that I feel bad to get it out of the car to make a track car. It doesn't make sense. I think this is a show car more than a track car, you know what I'm saying? Or just like a fun car like my C6 is. I think that's the car. A track car, I would buy a rebuild title and I would build a track car, so you know, new motor, everything. That's why I'm not transforming this car in a track car. Just want to make that clear, because a lot of people like, oh, you were looking for another project, why you don't transform this in a track car? No, this is too nice to be a track car. This car is in such a good condition though. I wish you guys could see it. By the way, this Saturday, if the weather is nice, it's Hamilton, so I'm taking this car to the Hamilton meeting. So it's gonna be, I will display there, it's gonna be for sale. If you want to talk to me about it, you are more than welcome to. You can get to see the entire car and so on and so forth. Yeah, a Corvette can be my track car, but I can find something else. The options are endless, but I want to stick with the truck, and the track car is only if I don't find the right truck to build. With that being said, I hope you guys understand, and I want to really share that with you guys, because this is gonna be the next big project on the channel. And as I mentioned in my previous video, once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I have a surprise for you. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to share with your friends and family. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Chevy Colorado 1st Gen, Tacoma, Chevy SS, or Chevy 1500, or just screw it, build a track car. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. We are going for 10,000 subscribers. I hope you guys can support the channel, and I'll see you guys next upload. Next upload, we are going to a car show, so it's gonna be interesting. We'll see. Alright, stay tuned. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.